Hello guys, welcome to Coding School. Today we are going to talk about control statements in Go, and first we are going to talk about the looping statement. So let's start a program. So in Go, for loop is what we use, and for is used to range through an array, for used to range through a set of numbers. So let's see how it's being used. A for loop will have an initialization statement, condition statement, and a post execution statement. So first let's start writing a program. Let's write a program to print 1 to 10. Let's print I. Let's try to run this program. As you can see, it got printed from 1 to 10, 0 to 10. So that's how a for loop works. So we just remove the initialization and post initialization statement. It should still work. But the initialization is not happening, so let's do that manually. Once we do that, it does the same. So as you can see, the initialization and the post execution statement is necessarily not necessary. We can avoid if we want. Also, if we just lay out the condition, it will work as an infinite loop and it will go. So instead of using a while loop, we can use for loop in Go. Now let's talk about branching statements in Go. One of them is if. So let's write a sample program to print a number is even or odd. So my number is 2 and if n mod 2 equal to 0, then we can say even, else. Let's print even, that check whether that works. Go run main.go. Yeah, it says even. So if we want to handle, let's check for the same for 3. It doesn't come to there's no else statement for the same, so we'll just add it. Else let's try to run now. Yeah, now it says odd. So we can have inside here, we can still go on adding if statements as we recur. So we can do the nested ifs are possible. Now let's talk about something else. So just do the same in a different way using switch. So I'm going to put the condition in switch statement, switch n mode to in switch case 0 even. Let's print even if it is 0. Case 1 we will print. Let's see that it works. It says odd. We just change it to 2. It works. We can also have conditions. So if we can have this kind of checks also. can have conditions inside if, and this kind of a method is also working. We can also have a default case, and if both are not matching, we can have that inside the default case. There is also something called defer statement. So if you want to execute something at the end of something, we can use defer also. So in main, if I want to print defer, if we use the keyword defer and print, let's print something A, or just put in defer, and if I just print something else, hello world. If I just try to run the same, hello world is printed first and defer is printed later. So how this works is, defer definitely printer will be put into some stack, and once the main execution is complete, it will pick up whatever pushed to the stack and execute it. That's how it works. If can be executed in some one more other way also. So in this case, we are actually putting the value of the condition inside X, and if X is true, it will print even, else it will print odd. This is also one more way we can write the same thing. And that's it for the video. Thank you guys.